Salamander. Today I'm going to show you how to use our online cabinet designer. So what you're looking at right now is the main page. Your page might look a little different, but generally it's going to look like this. What you're going to do is you want to configure a credenza. So you can either click configure or you can go ahead and hit click new. Credenza we're going to configure. The first thing it's going to ask you for is a name, and you'll go ahead and create a name. Hit next. We're going to go ahead and get started. The next page is going to show you if you want a display or no display. In this case, we're going to choose a display. You have single or dual. Please note that you can do triple displays as well, and you can do a display size that is over 105. In that case, you just reach out to custom@salamanderdesigns.com and let them know what technology you are looking to use. So we're just going to pick a single display, and we'll do a 75-inch screen. All right. The next step is where we're going to pick our depth size, our height, and how many bays we want. So we have our ultra low profile, which is our 6-inch deep cabinet, our low profile, which is our 12-inch deep cabinet, and our standard 21.25-inch deep, or our deep cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and pick standard. And then you've got your options for how many bays you're looking for. As you can see, you've got all the dimensions for what we've picked. And I'm going to go ahead and pick a 3-bay. Now, as you're doing this, and each step you go through, you can use your mouse and click on the cabinet that you're designing, and this is going to be updated in real time as you're designing it. You can see underneath, you can see you've got your passive cooling vents, your wire pass through right there. Next step, we're going to pick the finish. All of our standard finishes are listed on the designer. Please note we also can go off book. Again, just let us know so we can work with the team to make sure we're meeting exactly what your customer is looking for. We've got our new Manhattan finishes on here, and we'll go ahead pick one of those. You can also pick different side panels, tops, and then we'll go on to the next step. This is where you can add in your camera or your speaker. You can pick if you want it above or below this display. We do offer some options. Again, if you do not have what you're looking using is not listed on here, you can just go ahead, click other. It's going to ask you for the model and dimensions. That way we will work with our team to make sure we're getting you the best tech bracket or speaker bracket or shelf that will match what you're using. You can click above or below the display. Once you do that, we're just going to want to know where you want your center of lens. Please note we do recommend anywhere from about 43 to 46 inches just for eyesight, and so you'll be above the table line. We'll go ahead and do the next step, and this is where we can choose our interiors. Our standard and deep depth are going to offer the most options. Here you've got shelving options, racking options, hospitality options. If you choose racking, you do get the option of if you'd like it shipping with the cabinet or without the cabinet. And then each bay, this is where you'll pick if you would like to add locks. This is where you would pick it. I'll go ahead and go to the next step. That's going to show you the different rears that we offer for the cabinet. And again, this is all updating in real time so you can see what's happening with your cabinet as you're building it. The next step is going to be cable management ports, and you'll be able to pick brush ports, pop-up chargers, cable ports. If you did want to use a third-party cutout, just go ahead and give us the CAD. Let us know which bay you're looking in, and we can add that to your quote as well. And the next step is going to be just some additional accessories. And then your final step is where you will see your design. You can download your design document right here. That's something you can share with your customer. It's going right now, I have it in list pricing. It's going to have all the details, the dimensions, what you've picked out for your finishes, what's in each bay. And then at the end, it is going to have your pricing without shipping. When you're ready for a formal quote, you can just go to quote, request quote, and it's going to ask for a couple of pieces of information, and it will get submitted to Salamander. We'll reach out with a formal quote within 24 hours. Thank you for using the online cabin designer. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or if you'd like additional help to custom at Salamander Designs. That's designs with an S.com. Thank you.